What is up, Speedy Scoop here, bringing you another video. You guys like how those Maserati wheels sit on the car? I really like them too. Obviously, I put the back of the stocks till I can get some tires and suspension because, you know, that wheel gap. I'm getting suspension. I have some guy delivering some to me. He was an hour and 40 minutes away. I threw him some extra cash. He said he'll be here. So with that being said, let's see if he shows up. Link in the bio, YouTube. But yeah, man, I got this car a week and a half ago and I already have so much parts for it. This car is gonna be so sweet, and especially, how am I gonna do content full time rolling around in this turtle right here? She's reliable, did me well, but I need me a hot boy car. Yes, sir. Not too bad. Nice little cleanup. Should do well. All right.